Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another hair care video, which means a giveaway soon. So do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle right here on the screen because I am going to host this giveaway on my Instagram, and for any update you have to follow me there. So you can already see how shinier, softer, smoother and manageable my hair are looking, and this is all because I received some products from the brand that I am going to tell you about, and I am constantly using their product, like not for a long time, but I am using their product for 15 days. It means 4 to 5 washes roughly, and this is the result of those products. So I received this hair care kit from Mega Mart. You can see Mega Mart. And I really love the packaging, and it is so effective, you guys, that you can see the result on my hair. So before I show you these products, I really want to add something. Anything that I feel about these products is going to be 100% genuine. I am going to tell you the things that I liked about this product and things that I didn't like about this product. So yes, I am going to share my 100% honest opinion. I am kind of person who believes in science and nature both, and this kit has the goodness of all the natural ingredients and is based on science. So let me stop this buck and show you the products. Once you open it, you have all these products inside, and I totally adore the packaging. Here are the 4 products that I received.
1, 2, 3 and 4, and they are all good thermocol stuff, colored balls, and I really like them.
Also there is a hand sanitizer which they give everyone for free if you shop from their website. I am going to explain everything about it later. And also there are 2 masks which is like new normal. So first that I have with me is Halixir, which is their hair oil. So I really love the combination of black and golden. It is like super classy. So this is the Halixir Versatile Nourishing Hair Oil. Here is something written about this oil. Halixir is a versatile nourishing oil that provides ultimate softness and nourishment to hair, which I totally agree. It offers gloss and shine as well as conditioning effect to hair. I agree. Halixir gives a lustrous feel with the promise to regenerate your hair. So this oil is made up of all the natural ingredients, and let me tell you the ingredients one by one. So this has coconut oil, sesame oil, cottonseed oil, castor oil, amla oil, almond oil, Brahmi oil, bhringraj. And how I use this oil is how you all use any oil, like it is all same. So what I do is I oil my hair 2 or 3 hours before I'm going to shampoo my hair, and you don't need much of this oil, just 2 pumps. It has this pump kind of packaging which I really love. So I take 2 pumps of this and I warm it up like this, and with my fingers I just do this kind of chumpy. That's it. And now my take on this product. It definitely made my hair silky, smooth and nourished. Like it provides intense moisture to the hair, which I really love. And the best part about this oil is, like, though it provides intense moisture, but it is not at all sticky like that chipchipa kind of oil. No, not at all. It is not greasy, and the fragrance of this oil is amazing. Like when you will apply this oil, you won't feel like you are applying some oil. Okay, so yeah, definitely if you'll ask me whether I'm gonna buy this oil again or not, yes, I am going to buy this oil. First, it do not have that oil kind of smell which I hate. Second, it is not at all greasy and that much oily. Third, it is very easy to get rid of this oil. And if you are going to order this product, then definitely check their website Mega Mart, and you can order this product from there, because you are gonna get 1 hand sanitizer for free. Then you are going to get some reward points which you can use the next time you buy from their website. So everything about these products and the website would be there in my description box, so do not forget to check that. And now the next product that I have with me is this Fclin Shampoo. So again, this is some tube kind of packaging which I didn't like, because I like pump kind of packaging. It is easy to account how much product you have used, because I have to keep this product like this way, and when I open it, it is like a generous amount of product on my hand. But if I see the other side, it is travel friendly. You just have to tape it and you do not have to fear of the product getting out. This shampoo provides total hygiene to your hair and scalp. And if you guys don't know, most of the hair problems occur when your scalp is dirty, when there is accumulation of oil and dirt on your scalp. It leads to a lot of hair problems. The oil and dirt on your scalp blocks the skin and follicles, which causes hair fall, fungal infection. It don't let your hair grow. So this shampoo ensures to maintain a proper scalp cleansing, which is really good, absolutely good. So Fclin shampoo is for clogged follicles, and the things it claims: cleanses and conditions, treats and nourishes, protects and texturizes. It is an excellent scalp hygiene with follicle unclogging properties. It is SLS free, paraben free. All these products that I am going to show you in this video, including this, they all are dermatologically tested. And now I'm going to share what I think about this product. So the very first time when I used this shampoo, I didn't like it at all, to be very honest, because I felt my hair dry after one wash, and I was like, I don't understand the reason. It says it conditions, it nourishes, then why is it so? But this is due to the reason, because when I talked to them, the reason is it deep cleanses your scalp. It removes the dirt, it removes the oil. So when it cleanses your scalp, the first time you will feel a little dry on your scalp, and the moment you start using it, you can feel the difference in your hair, and that's what I felt. I totally loved the result. It definitely nourishes when you do the wash like the second time, but this is just for those who have dry scalp. Like I have a dry skin and dry scalp, but those who have oily scalp, you are definitely going to love it. It definitely helps in, you know, taming the frizz. I want to buy this product again because it really, you know, help your scalp to breathe, you know. So yes, I definitely loved it. Now the third product that I have with me is this serum, and this is from Trichoz. I hope I pronounced it right. So this is their intensive hair serum, and I really loved the packaging. Like, see? So what I love about the packaging is this thing, if you can see. I really like it. Okay, so this is the blend of conditioners, amino acids, UV filter, antioxidants and hair moisturizers. It is a fiber sealing serum. It instantly seals, I agree. It smoothens, I agree. And it repairs dry, frizzy, rough, tangled hair. Ideal to prevent hair fall and promote hair growth. Okay, these are like some promising claims, and this is how the products looks like. Very handy, and it is like very travel friendly. So honestly, one of the best serums that I have ever used. I really love it. So you have to take the coin size of the serum. Like I just take one pump of this, I rub it like this, and when my hair are like damp, I just apply it like this way. You do not have to apply it on your scalp, just to the length of your hair, and that's what I do, and it gives awesome results. Really help to detangle your hair. It makes them shinier and smoother. You will feel the difference after one use only. So yes, definitely it is a really good serum. And the best thing about this serum is, which I really love, is it has UV ray protection. And now my take on this product is, it is very light serum. It is not at all sticky. It definitely tames frizziness, and it will make your hair manageable all day long. And now the last product that I have with me is this Foligain Hair Lotion, and it is a hair growth enhancer, and this is how the packaging looks like. I really love the packaging. Handy, compact and travel friendly. So for packaging, it is like, again, I am in between. In some ways it is good, in some ways it is not. So when you order this product, you will get this thing inside, which is like very thoughtful, because you have to pick this product like this way. It is like a proper kind of thing, and then you can part your hair and apply it like this, and then massage it to your affected areas. But once you will open this product, it is like this. So how are you able to use this product into this? So this is a thing that I am very disappointed. You have to open this product like this way, and then you have to, you know, dunk it and take the product. But talking about the product, it is basically a natural hair lotion which will help in hair growth. Those who have baldness or bald patches, it is really going to help you guys. And it is also for those who have hair loss problem or hair thinning problem. You can also use this product. I have used this product thrice. One time I forgot to use it and then I used it for 3 times. Honestly, I can't tell the difference, but yes, whatever it claims, it is really promising. So yes, I am really looking forward to this hair lotion. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in my next video.